Hello students, today we will learn chapter 3 in history, the Sultanate period. Students, as you know that in 1192 Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated and captured by Muhammad Ghori and his territories were occupied. But Muhammad Ghori did not stop at this. In 1194 he defeated Raja Jaichand in the battle of Chandavar. Thereafter he controlled the Ganga and the entire Ganga Yamuna Doab. Students, Doab means the land between the two rivers. दो रिवर्स के बीच का जो लैंड होता है उसको हम दोआब कहते हैं. तो इस पूरे गंगा यमुना दोआब रीजन पे मोहम्मद गोरी का कंट्रोल हो जाता है. देन ही लेफ्ट हिज ट्रस्टेड जनरल्स इन चार्ज ऑफ द लैंड्स ही हैड कॉन्क्वायर्ड एंड रिटर्न टू हिज होमलैंड. उसके जितने भी कॉन्क्वायर्ड लैंड्स होते हैं, जीते हुए लैंड्स होते हैं, उनका इंचार्ज वो अपने ट्रस्टेड जनरल्स को बनाकर अपने होमलैंड गोर नाउ इन प्रेजेंट डे अफगानिस्तान रिटर्न हो जाता है. स्टूडेंट्स, इन 1206 AD मोहम्मद गोरी डाइड एंड कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक डिक्लेयर्ड हिमसेल्फ एज अ सुल्तान ऑफ द दिल्ली. 1206 AD में मोहम्मद गोरी की डेथ हो जाती है और कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक अपने आप को दिल्ली का सुल्तान डिक्लेयर कर देता है. स्टूडेंट्स, द पीरियड फ्रॉम 1206 AD to 1526 AD is known as the age of the Delhi Sultanate. इस 1206 AD से 1526 AD तक का जो पीरियड था उसको हम दिल्ली सल्तनत या सल्तनत पीरियड के नेम से जानते हैं. Students, Delhi was the capital of sultans who conquered the large part of the Indian subcontinent. During the Sultanate period, the 5 dynasties ruled over the Delhi. These dynasties were Slave Dynasty, Khalji Dynasty, Tughlaq Dynasty, Sayyid Dynasty and last Lodi Dynasty. Slave dynasty was ruled from 1206 AD to 1290 AD. Khalji dynasty was ruled from 1290 AD to 1320 AD. Tughlaq dynasty was ruled from 1320 AD to 1414 AD. Sayyid dynasty was ruled from 1414 AD to 1451 AD. Lodi dynasty was ruled from 1451 AD to 1526 AD. Now the founders of these dynasties. Slave dynasty was founded by कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक. कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने slave dynasty को इस्टेब्लिश किया था. ये इसके फर्स्ट रूलर कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक थे. Jalaluddin Firoz Shah Khalji was founded the Khalji dynasty. Tughlaq dynasty was founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Sayyid dynasty was founded by Khizr Khan and last Lodi dynasty was founded by Bahlol Lodi. Students, it's all for today. In next class we will discuss the remaining part of the chapter. Thank you.